a time clock for a spruce. Behind a gentle bark and inside the timber, nature is continuing hammering and creates a time clock for a spruce stem. And the high skin around the body gives me an idea of an old tree's silent struggle for to continue its life. Life in the forest. Is there life in other places in space? Is a query among technicians. Is there life in the forest about 100 years into the future? This is my question. A bone from the earth. On the other side of the lake, there is a large mountain and some other hills as bones from earth. They seem to be exhumed in the horizon. A star and advertising. Outside my own old door where I live, between two clouds, can I see a star that shines with a strong light. But it is just one friendly lamp which spread its light over an advertising text on top of a house which is being built up.